Lilydale traffic, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor departed on downwind, runway 36 left, Lilydale for Essendon. Alright, Doncaster Shopping Town, Frankie. On that line.
Give me the pen and the paper just in case.
Essendon Tower, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor at Doncaster Shopping Town, inbound with Foxtrot.
Bravo Sierra Victor, Essendon Tower, your aircraft type?
Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor.
Bravo Sierra Victor and clear Doncaster Shopping Town, Essendon 1500.
Clear Doncaster Shopping Town, Essendon 1500, Bravo Sierra Victor. We don't have to do a thing.
It's easy.
Looks like it.
Bravo X-ray approaching NCG 1400, request the left-hand city orbit.
Victor Bravo X-ray cleared 1 left city orbit, not above 1500.
Cleared left city orbit, not above 1500, Victor Bravo X-ray.
Bravo Sierra Victor, cleared visual approach straight in runway 26.
Visual approach straight in runway 26, Bravo Sierra Victor. Okay, so brakes. The carriage is fixed. Is rich, masters on, mags are on both. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Pitches and harnesses secure.
Bravo Sierra Victor, runway 26, clear to land.
Runway 26, clear to land, Bravo Sierra Victor.
He says you're high.
One red.
Coming in.
Red, 2 green. 2 red, 2 white.
Victor Bravo X-ray 81 pad report on the ground.
Australian 91 pad report on the ground. Victor Bravo X-ray.
Essendon ground, Cessna 172 Bravo Sierra Victor, request taxi to hangar 7 and unfamiliar with Essendon.
Bravo Sierra Victor ground, taxi straight ahead.
Straight ahead, Bravo Sierra Victor. Bravo Sierra Victor, can I park next to Delta Zulu Papa?
Bravo Sierra Victor, unsighted from the tower. I would suggest whatever you think's a fair thing.
I'll do that, thank you. Bravo Sierra Victor.
As long as you just keep clear of that road that you're about to cross there when you're parked.
Okay, cheers.
Helicopter, I guess.
Yep.
Whatever you think's the fair thing.
Yep. Actually,
Seems like
if
a
that
fair
helicopter starts up, I'm in his rotor.